Next up, we've got the events. And these events need to be refreshed, and you will be doing refreshing by pulling your finger down on the mobile screen and refreshing the data and seeing this icon turn around like you see it in this video. Now, you might be interested in the events for the past 2 days, but it might be that you're interested in the last week or in the last month. So with the filter, you can actually filter these out and see how many calls they've been made, how many SOS alerts have been dispatched, how many breaches, non-movement falls, health, and we can go into every single one. As I click on it, you see it's expanding into a more detailed screen with all of the instances of these statistics that I'm looking at. So this is the events page. Remember to always refresh by pulling down and also selecting the period that you are interested in.